Did you know that in 2025, scientists found alien DNA literally hidden beneath Earth's ice? That's right. The British company Basecamp Research has been collecting DNA samples from some of the most remote and extreme places on our planet, the Arctic and Antarctic. And what they discovered is beyond bizarre. More than half of these DNA samples didn't match any known life forms. Imagine whole new groups of life, completely unknown to us, waiting beneath billions of years of ice, as if nature had been hiding this secret all along. This discovery could completely revolutionize medicine because it opens the door to new drugs, therapies, and maybe cures we can't even imagine yet. But the origin of this DNA is still a huge mystery. Many scientists think it might even have come from other planets, existing here on Earth for ages without us knowing. Basecamp has already identified over 1 million new species, massively expanding our understanding of biodiversity, but scientists warn us to be careful. What if one of these unknown organisms is a deadly virus that has been frozen and now wakes up? Next up, something even more out of this world. Life signals detected on another planet. The James Webb Space Telescope spotted chemical compounds in the atmosphere of an exoplanet called K218b. These chemicals here on Earth are produced by living organisms, which suggests the possibility of life there. Not proof, but some of the strongest evidence we have so far. K218b is what scientists call a Hycean planet, meaning it has liquid oceans, a thick atmosphere, and plenty of hydrogen, all good signs that life could thrive. We're talking about a planet that might host life forms similar to those on Earth, though given how much life we have right here, it could just as easily be microorganisms totally different from us. But there is also a planet that S literally falling apart, BD054868AB, an exotic name for a really wild phenomenon. This planet orbits so close to its star that every time it goes around, it loses mass equal to several Mount Everests. It's like a giant cosmic comet, leaving a trail of dust as it breaks down. And this is a rare chance for scientists to study how rocky planets decompose, and maybe how planets in general form and evolve. Shifting gears back to Earth, Brazilian researchers discovered a bacteria called BR4 that can literally break down PET plastic. Yes, the kind of plastic bottles and packaging that pollute our planet. Not only does this bacteria consume plastic, but it also produces PHB, a high-quality biopolymer, which means this discovery could revolutionize recycling and help clean up the plastic mess we've created. It's like nature giving us a second chance to fix our mistakes, opening the door for sustainable packaging and even biomedical uses. Now, zooming out to the vast cosmos, astronomers found a gigantic cosmic structure so huge it makes our Milky Way look like cosmic dust. Named Quipo, after the ancient Incan record-keeping system of knotted cords, this superstructure spans 1.4 billion light-years and contains roughly 200 quadrillion solar masses. To put that in perspective, that's almost impossible to imagine. Billions multiplied by quadrillions of suns. Quipo is a massive web of 68 galaxy clusters, forming a network that challenges everything we thought about the universe's structure. Just for comparison, the Milky Way, our home galaxy, is just one among those 68 clusters. Alongside Quipo, scientists have found 4 other superstructures, and together they account for nearly half of all galaxy clusters, 30% of all galaxies, and a quarter of the observable universe's matter. It's like we're finally mapping the cosmic web that holds everything together, uncovering patterns that were invisible before. Quipo isn't just a cool astronomical find, it's a key piece in solving the mysteries of our universe. And now for the discovery that might mark a new era in human history. Microsoft just announced Majorana 1, a quantum chip that uses a completely new state of matter, a state that isn't to solid liquid gas or even plasma. This new topological state of matter has unique quantum properties that make it perfect for processing quantum information. You might wonder, what exactly is a quantum computer? Unlike regular computers that work with bits, zeros and ones, Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time, like a spinning coin that's heads and tails simultaneously until it lands. This means quantum computers can test millions of possibilities all at once, not one by one like our current machines. For example, cracking a password with 100 characters could take a normal computer forever, but a quantum computer could solve it instantly by processing every combination simultaneously. This technology also uses quantum entanglement, a weird phenomenon where qubits are connected no matter the distance, kind of like a mental Wi-Fi for qubits, boosting processing power even further. If a normal computer is like a Lego block, quantum computers are transformers, alien machines capable of mind-blowing feats. Of course, this tech is still in its infancy, kind of like the first processors from the 1970s compared to today's supercomputers. But if it succeeds, quantum computing could revolutionize medicine, climate modeling, security, energy, earthquake prediction, DNA research, disease prevention, and countless other fields, all in the blink of an eye while your laptop is just booting up. So, which of these 6 discoveries from 2025 blew your mind the most? Comment below and let us know if you want us to dive deeper into any of these topics in future videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now, leave a like if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next Fact or Fake episode. Thanks for watching.